Hey Crypto Nation, do you want the ultimate in crypto security and the convenience of managing your funds from your phone? Well, in this video, we'll show you how to combine your Ledger hardware wallet with Exodus Mobile. We'll walk you through how your wallets work together and how to connect your Ledger and its accounts to Exodus. Let's get started. When you connect your Ledger, Exodus becomes your control panel for your hardware wallet by displaying it as a separate portfolio. There, you'll be able to easily manage your Ledger-held crypto, view balances, send and receive, and even swap and stake, all while your private keys remain locked away on your Ledger. Crucially, Exodus never has access to your Ledger's private keys. All transactions are signed on your Ledger, ensuring maximum security. In fact, your Ledger and Exodus use separate keys and recovery phrases. Your Exodus 12-word recovery phrase is for the Exodus-specific wallets and portfolios. Your Ledger has its own recovery phrase, which is 24 words and generated when you set up your Ledger device. Now, these are completely independent, and it's essential to keep both phrases secure and separate. If one is lost, you cannot gain access to it through the other. Connecting your Ledger is straightforward and secure. First, make sure you have the latest version of Exodus Mobile and your Ledger's firmware OS is up to date. Your devices securely connect using an end-to-end encrypted Bluetooth connection, or BLE. So also be sure to enable your phone's Bluetooth. Next, turn on your Ledger, unlock it, and place it near your phone. Open Exodus and navigate to the settings screen by tapping on the profile icon and then tapping Settings. Here, tap Connect Ledger. Exodus will guide you through connecting your Ledger and adding an account. Once connected, you'll be able to manage your Ledger-held funds through Exodus in your Ledger portfolio. Also, as a Ledger user, you'll know that it uses the concept of asset accounts. Now, these are like separate compartments within your Ledger, each with its own address for a specific cryptocurrency. For example, you might have a Bitcoin, an Ethereum, and a Solana account or two on the same Ledger device. You can also add some of these other asset accounts to your Ledger portfolio in Exodus. If you haven't yet, you'll first need to install the app for the specific asset on your Ledger using Ledger Live. Once the app is on your Ledger, you can then easily add that account to your Ledger portfolio in Exodus Mobile. Now, let's add another asset account. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and your Ledger is powered on and unlocked. In your Ledger portfolio, you'll see a Connect button for the asset you want to add. Tap it, and Exodus will guide you through adding the account from your Ledger. Once added, any balance already in the asset account will be visible and manageable within Exodus. And that's how you integrate your Ledger with Exodus. This integration gives you the best of both worlds, the unmatched security of cold storage combined with the ease of use of Exodus Mobile. Thanks for watching, everybody, and if you'd like to know more about securing your crypto or Exodus in general, click any of these videos to keep watching.